front of me is Xiaomi Redmi Note 11s, and let me show you how to reset app preferences on this device. So at first, let's open the settings, then find and select apps right here, and go to manage apps. Now tap on more icon, and pick reset app preferences. And if you truly want to remove all preferences for disabled apps, disabled app notifications, default applications for actions, background data restriction for apps, or any other permission restrictions, tap on reset apps. And that's it, it has been done. So congrats, thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.